I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, yeah, you make me feel low.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. It is snowing. We officially got snow today. Excited that much, but I love when it's snow and the trees are all covered with snow. That's my favorite. I love also when the flurries are falling down because I don't feel cold, but you see when the snow is the ground the next day, that is when I feel cold. I don't like that. But let me show you guys the view of the snow from my window. What the hell? I went on YouTube and realized that I have 3 videos that have copyrighted music. I uploaded and it wasn't a problem. Sad part about it is that it's blocked. Some of the videos are blocked in some countries. So you know what? I had to fix that. Even my intro, I had to change the music because Christmas in My Heart is copyrighted as well. I changed it to Jingle Bell and it's not really what I wanted, but I'm gonna still search and see if I can find a Christmas in My Heart song that is not copyrighted. So I had to change the music and re-upload my 2 vlogs, which is day 1 and day 2. So we're heading, yeah, you guys know where we're heading, to the kitchen. Look at the snow from my kitchen window. Ooh, so pretty. Why am I getting so excited about snow? Alright guys, so I am dressed. I don't want to go outside, but I got to. Child, it's -3 degrees plus 40 centimeters of snow. I'm gonna put on some Vaseline on my face because that helps with the cold. So if you didn't know, now you know. If you're not wearing makeup, it really helps. Cold bounces off your face. I hate when my face feels cold, so the Vaseline trick really helps. Help me! Put on my boots. I'm gonna put my Uggs on because I'm about to trod in the snow. And guess who's coming with me? You guys. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so I am back home. So I'm gonna make a Santa mocktail. So I picked up the ginger ale. What else? The 7-Up and candy cane. Let's go to the kitchen and make something quick to eat. You know, I gotta start off with some tea. You know the deal by now. Alright guys, so in my rice cooker I have some jasmine rice, some margarine, salt, and Italian seasoning. It up, and I'm gonna start cooking my rice. And yes, I cook my rice in a rice cooker. I have some chicken that I seasoned from yesterday. For my son, maybe I air fry some chicken wings for him because he's not a fan of curry chicken like that. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys how to do curry chicken. I'll show you guys the result. Alright guys, so I am finished eating my dinner. So now I'm gonna make a Shirley Temple cocktail. The recipe calls for grenadine, candy cane, and also the ginger ale and 7-Up. You can also use Sprite if you like, maraschino cherries, and coconut flakes. I got this from Bulk Barn. Get the ice cubes and mash it up because it calls for small ice cubes and I do not have small ice cubes. I am indecisive on which glass should I use because in the picture is showing, you know, those short glass. Let's proceed, y'all. Alright guys, so we have reached to the end of this video. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys in my next video.